Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if your Microsoft Store not working, not opening, problem issue on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can follow these easy and simple solutions to fix this issue. So let's get started. So when you are facing this type of any problem on your Windows 11 PC guys, first you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not coming good on your PC at that time guys, you can face this type of issues on your PC. Okay, first you need to check your internet connection, and second main important thing is this guys, you need to check your PC date and time is correct or not. If the date and time is not correct at that time guys, also you can face this type of problem. So to check your date and time, open the settings. In the settings here you can get the option time and language. From here you can easily able to check and set your date and time properly. Okay, from here as you can see guys, in case your date and time is correct on your Windows 11, afterwards you are facing this type of problem guys, now you can follow this next method. Open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and press I. This is the shortcut key to open these settings. In these settings guys, in the system, scroll down and find out troubleshoot and open it, and go to other troubleshoot like this, and here guys scroll down and find out Windows Store app. As you can see, just you need to click on run, so it will start the troubleshooter on your Windows 11 as you can see guys. So you need to follow the on screen instructions to complete the troubleshooting process. After troubleshooting guys, you need to restart your Windows 11 one time. After restarting, now hopefully this time it will fix your problem 100%. So in case still you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to update your Windows 11. To update Windows 11, once again you need to open these settings on your PC. In the settings, in the left panel you can get the option Windows Update. Just click and open it. From here you can easily able to update the Windows 11. After updating, hopefully this time fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix Microsoft Store is not working, not opening on your Windows PC. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.